Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a quick installation of this snowflake projector light. Now this is everything the box comes with, guys. First we have the light projector here. As you can see, it has the bulbs inside that are going to project the light. We also have the little connector, guys. Now this connector is super important because it's going to be able to connect the light projector to either the base or the ground stake. Now the base, you can use it for outside or inside. It depends wherever you're trying to use it at. You also have the ground stake. Now this ground stake is for outside use. I don't think you can use it inside, but it's more for like outside whenever you want to like stick the projector to the ground, and that way it's like more steady. Now we also have this little cube that's going to be plugged into the wall outlet. Now for this little cube, guys, it has to be connected to the extender of the light projector. Whenever you're connecting them together, make sure that they align. So I don't know if you can tell, but the little extender has a little black line there. Also the wall outlet has a little black line in the bottom. Just make sure that they align together whenever you plug them in like this, and it will go in very easily. And then you just pull up the little screw here, and you're just going to screw it in like this. The next step is making sure you tighten the connector to the light projector, and all you have to do is just put in the ball like that and make sure that you tighten in the screw like this. Now for the base, guys, you also have to make sure that it aligns. So as you can see, it has like some spaces on the side, and the base also have some spaces, and whenever you put it in, they just have to align together like that. It will click in, and then you just twist it so it can lock in. And once it's plugged in, guys, it will be super steady. This is also flexible, so you can just move it around, but it will be super steady in the ground like that. As for the ground stake, guys, it doesn't really align with anything. Just make sure that you put it in very well, so that way whenever it sticks to the ground, it will be steady. So this is how it will look like. Alright guys, so I plugged it in, turned off the lights because I wanted to show you how it will look like in the dark. So this is how it will look like. It looks very pretty, guys, very beautiful. More than likely you want it for the outside of your house, and I would definitely recommend it. It just looks very, very nice.